So what's up, y'all? So we're back today on this lovely Sunday, and we're making homemade hamburgers with homemade mashed potatoes. I cut up my potatoes. I got them boiling in the pot. I got my hamburger meat. I got my Lipton onion dip mixed, 1 egg, seasoned salt, black pepper, and salt. And now I'm about to mix. Let me wash my hands because I don't want y'all to say my hands nasty. Because I'm not putting on gloves because this is my food. And I have to eat it. So let's get into this. I'm about to mix it and get these burgers going. Yeah. Everything already in the bowl. I did cut up a couple of onions because I love onions. Even though I put the Lipton onion mix in here, I still cut up me a few onions because I love me some onions. I don't know about y'all, but I do. So I'm gonna get it all mixed up. And then I'm just gonna get me a good pinch of it. I like my burgers big, so yeah. So I'm gonna cut them down, and I'm gonna get them in the pan. I'm gonna put the pan right there. So we're gonna have some homemade burgers with some homemade mashed potatoes, with some macaroni and cheese, with a little gravy. That's gonna be that. Nothing spectacular. Just a little something on Sunday. So, got 6 burgers. Gonna get that in the oven at 350. And Those are the homemade burgers. So we got those homemade potatoes, cut up potatoes over there, boil them, and I'll be back.